first.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
No videos.
No, yeah, videos. I'll always look back on this when I get really old and gray.
What club are you using?
Yo, your sister's apartment's really nice. And it's in a good area. Aiden can attest. A lot of dogs there, though.
She wants a dog.
Well, just like everybody owns a goddamn dog there. Straight.
Hey, you're in the sand.
That's not bad.
I'm driving a ball. First hit, you know, first hit.
I think we're only ones on the course, anyways.
Oh, actually?
I think so.
That was a plan for this ball too, bro. I gotta get that. There's like a massive golf tournament happening.
Where? Oh, they're watching inside.
Coach watches behind us.
No, it's college.
Like D1, like there's like 4 coach
Where?
behind our house, like practicing.
Oh, no kidding.
I don't know where they're golfing though.
Wonder if they're golfing tomorrow. Jesus Christ, that's a good hit, man. It's not bad, dude.